Hello and welcome, my dear children. So here I have brought another set of questions from Circulatory System ICSE Class 10th. This is according to the latest update in the syllabus. You need to go through the syllabus, children. That is very, very important. Go to ICSE website, check the latest syllabus. Question 1 is, you need to complete this diagram that shows the flow of blood in the heart. So see this diagram carefully and see the options given below. What should be filled in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? The correct answer is option D, tricuspid wall, pulmonary circulation, mitral wall, and aortic wall. Next, atrioventricular walls open and semilunar walls close during ventricular systole. Is this a correct statement? Is it true, false, partially false, or only partially true? The answer is this statement is false. Find out the correct answer for this, children. This sound is produced when the semilunar walls are closed. Option A, lub, B, dub, C, lub, tub, or none. Answer is B, dub. Which of the following blood groups is considered to be the universal donor? Blood group A, B, or AB, or O? Answer is blood group O. Which of the following blood vessels carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the body tissues? Artery, vein, capillary, aorta. Answer is artery. Which of the following components of blood is responsible for blood clotting? See, there is one option will be correct from platelets, red blood cells, white blood cells, and plasma. But platelets act along with the component which comes from plasma. But the main component which is responsible for blood clotting is platelets. Plasma provides a protein named fibrinogen, which along with the components of platelets work together and help in blood clotting. Next is, which of the following components of blood is responsible for fighting infection? This is an easy question. Red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, or plasma? Answer is white blood cells. Which of the following blood types can receive blood from any other blood type, whether it is blood group AB, blood group B, blood group O, or blood group A? Answer is AB, universal receiver. Why do veins appear bluish in prominent veins of the old people? Due to the presence of oxygen, or due to the less thicker muscular walls of veins, due to the absence of CO2, or due to the presence of CO2? The correct option is B, because the blood is not blue in veins, it's dark red. So from outside it looks blue. Which of the following is not a non-circulating fluid? It is, basically I'm asking, which one is the circulating fluid? Our body has different types of fluids, children. Some of them are not circulating. The correct answer is blood plasma, because it is a circulating fluid. Whereas synovial fluid, vitreous humour, where is vitreous humour? In our eye. Cerebrospinal fluid, they are not circulating fluids. So thank you everyone. Revise properly, make use of the questions. They will help you in the exams.